You too. Back at it again with another one, family. Now today, it's a simple, easy process of peeling shrimp, right? Peeling and deveining shrimp, right? So, please stick around. Now here we have our 1 pound of shrimp, large shrimp, right? You just go to any local fish market if you have one open in these particular times, and if not, you can also shop on Amazon and go to Whole Foods and have it delivered straight to you, right? So just very simply, right? You rip the legs off. It sounds harsh, but we eating this anyway. So take the legs off with your fingernails and go around it. This particular method I'm showing you is to keep the tail on. So you take your less predominant hand and then you hold on to the tail, the part that you want on it, and you just simply peel around it, man. Super simple. Now here at the tip of the knife being shown is the intestinal tract, right? Me, I just go in sometimes if it's exposed and just slowly pull it out, right? If it breaks shorter than the length of the shrimp, I know I didn't get the entire length of the shrimp. However, if you choose to use a different method, I'll show you another one. You see that black line, right? You see it. Take your knife and just run your knife along. Trace that line, right? And then just take your knife and lift it, right? It's super simple. Just pull it out, and just get everything out, and that's it, man. Discard of what you don't need, pull the rest of the legs off and such, and that's pretty much it. Super simple. It may be a bit more labor intensive than actually just buying peeled and deveined shrimp, but anything labor intensive is worth it, man. Trust me. So now here we have our 1 pound of shrimp that we've cleaned and deveined, and this is the remnants, right? Normally I would take your shrimp shells and make a stock with it, but just to show, right? I just put all of the excrement in there, and that's it, man. Dumb easy. Thanks for watching, people.